walks in the wild with you. We're still lost. We're out here in the wilderness looking for food for a long time. Haven't really found. Look what I did find. That's a mountain stream right there. I've got my trusty TDS meter. Yes, I do. And this is where we see if water's good enough to drink. Check this. Let me. It says 0. That means it's good enough to drink. Like I told you, zero particulates. Yeah, get some of this water. Maybe we should dig a hole first. This is survival. I'm teaching y'all step by step how to do it. You find a mountain stream like this and you can't quite get some water, you dig a little hole. There we go. It tastes great. And that's how you get water from a mountain stream like that.